Hello, Jim Seacott with Polaris Mortgage Planners at Axiom Mortgage Solutions. Today is April 20th, 2020, and I want to share with you today about cashback mortgages. So a few lenders offer cashback mortgages, and right now there's a pretty good promo going on with one of the lenders. The rates are always changing, but right now they're pretty decent. So I just want to talk to you about that. So the cashback mortgages can be used for paying down high interest debt that you have, like credit cards or unsecured lines of credit. You can use it to invest in your RSPs or RESPs, put it in your savings account. You can use it for paying lawyer fees, closing costs when you're doing a purchase. And we can also use this on a transfer when we're transferring you from one lender to one of these particular lenders. And in this way, it's a way for you to get a little bit extra cash in your pocket to use for certain things. So we're going to look through some scenarios here and see how it might work out. So with this, I got like a $400,000 mortgage, amortized over 25 years at a rate of 2.79%. So rates are always changing, but right now, in today's market, we can use some of these rates. Here's the rates they're offering on the cashback right now. They're typically a little bit higher. And here's the cashback amounts: 1, 1.5%, 2%, and 3% of the mortgage amount. So on a 3% cashback at a $400,000 mortgage, you get back 12 grand. And at a interest rate of 3.39, your monthly payment would be $19.73 and 93 cents. Now your payment on a 2.79 mortgage would be $18.50. So your payment is higher by $123.78 a month. And over a 5-year term, that's $7,427 extra you'd be making in payments. But you're still ahead by $4,573 because you were able to receive $12,000, and then it cost you $7,427 to have that money. So you're ahead of the game there. Now, one thing to keep in mind: if you don't go all the way to the end of the term, you do have to pay back some of this cash back. So within the first year, if you pay off that mortgage within the first year, sell the property and pay the mortgage off, you have to pay back 100% of that cash back. Between year 1 and year 2, you'd have to pay back 80%. Between year 2 and year 3, you'd have to pay back 60%. Between year 3 and year 4, you'd have to pay back 40%. And between year 4 and year 5, you'd have to pay back 20%. So 100, 80, 60, 40, 20. So keep that in mind to be able to take advantage of this thing fully, is basically to go the full term. Otherwise, you're going to come up with that cash and pay it back, some of it or all of it, depending on when you break the mortgage. So let's try this. Let's just drop this interest rate to 2.69 is what we're competing against. So there's still some value there. There's still, on a 3%, you're still getting an extra $3,360. And again, keep in mind that this money can be used for, investing, making some extra money, or paying down some debt and saving extra money because you're not making those high interest payments on those credit cards and such. And the one thing this can't be used for is for your down payment. Your down payment has to come from your own resources or from an immediate family member as a gift. All right. I think that covers it. If you have any other questions, let me know. I'd be happy to answer them. And again, this is Jim Seacott with Polaris Mortgage Planners at Axiom Mortgage Solutions. And that's a little bit about cashback mortgages.